All right, so here is what we got from the manual. The yellow wire on the radio is supposed to go to the battery. The red wire, which kind of looks pink, is supposed to go to the accessory, which is only when the key is on. So let's take a look at the key. It's off, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to probe where the yellow wires from the radio come to the Jeep. It looks like they're blue with a pinkish red tracer. They should be on all the time, and the key is not on. So let's have a look. The test light will light if this is hot all the time. So that one lit. That's hot. Oops. And that one lit. Now while we're here and the key is off, let's check where the red one from the radio goes into the Jeep, and it shouldn't be on, right? Because the key is not on. And that's this one right here. And you can see that's not on. Now, just to make sure, we'll turn the key on and make sure that the accessory one is wired correctly to the radio. All right. Here's the key. We're only going to check the one that's supposed to be key on because I know the other two are hot all the time. And there you go, the test lid is lit up. So the harness from the Jeep going into the radio is wired correctly against the diagram. The only thing that I noticed is there's supposed to be a ground screw back here that's grounded somewhere on the chassis of the Jeep. Now there is a black wire in the harness that's ground, probably goes to ground in the Jeep harness, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a screw. I'm going to ground this radio to the chassis. I don't think it's going to solve the problem, but I think it's the safe thing to do in case there's ever a short in the Jeep, or I don't know, lightning kind of gets close to it. It's just a ground wire and a screw, can't do any harm. So I'm going to ground it. I'm going to put it back together, and then we're going to go into the hood with the faceplate on, because I know there's no battery drain now. I already checked it. We'll check that again. I'm going to put the faceplate on and see if it's draining. But the wiring is correct. So if the faceplate drains, we'll have to figure out what's causing that.